Hey everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use filters in Facebook Live to make your streams look more fun and professional. Step 1. Open Facebook Live. Open the Facebook app on your phone or tablet. Tap Live at the top of your newsfeed or on your profile page. Step 2. Access filters. Once the camera is on, look for the smiley face icon or magic wand icon on the screen. Tap it to open the filter options. Step 3. Choose a filter. Scroll through the available filters. These can change colors, add effects, or even animate your face. Tap any filter to preview it live on your camera. Step 4. Apply and start streaming. Once you find a filter you like, leave it applied. Tap Go Live to start your broadcast with the filter active. You can switch filters anytime during the live stream by tapping the icon again. Step 5. Optional effects and stickers. You can also add stickers, masks, or AR effects alongside filters. Explore the icons next to the filter menu to see fun options. Important notes. Filters only work while using the front or rear camera in live mode. Some older devices may not support all effects. Avoid overusing filters. Sometimes subtle is better for viewers. And that's it! You now know how to use filters in Facebook Live. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more quick social media tips.